Okay, so we're going to be using the Balisong first, and my actor is going to be using the Karambit. So, as you guys know, I'm not professional, so it's gonna be an easy win for me. But you know that, like, guys, my actor has a lot of luck. You know what I'm saying? So, just watch this trick shot out that I'm about to do. Like, it's gonna be crazy, guys. Where is this little ratat? This little actor, bro. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about, mate. Like, that was easy. So easy. It's like taking a candy from a big bee, bro. So easy. Now let's finish this game real quick with this movement, bro. Okay, you know what? I think it's the Balisong's fault. So let's try the Karambit next. So my actor is going to be playing on my account, and I'm on the account that has the Karambit. So let's see who's going to be cooking this one. Trust me, the Karambit. What has my actor been doing lately, bro? How is he doing this? I can't lose this match, bro. I gotta lock in. Look at this movement, bro. Look at this movement, mate. He cannot even see me. Okay, I'm gonna be cooking this kid like this, bro. Like, I told you guys that my actor is so bad at this game, bro. Like, look at this movement, bro. Oh my goodness. He cannot even stand there and like, bro, I'm just a girl. My actor's in... Bro, that's not my actor. I think somebody else is on my account, bro. He's not that good with the knife, trust. Karambit is so satisfying, guys. Are you looking at this animation, bro? Look at that. That's brilliant. Yeah, that's what I thought, bro. Get crushed, mate. Look at him. Look at this movement, bro. He can't even see me. They're using the daggers. Nah, I ain't letting that slide, mate. Where is it? Yeah. That's what I thought. So, guys, I think the Karambit wins. GG's.